Breaking. An ITA Airways flight was forced to turn back mid-journey in a terrifying incident. The Airbus A330-900, bound for Buenos Aires, experienced severe flight control problems shortly after takeoff from Rome. Pilots reported issues with the aircraft's control surfaces while climbing over the Mediterranean. Despite the critical situation, the crew managed a successful emergency landing back at Rome Fiumicino Airport. Passengers were transferred to another aircraft and eventually reached their destination safely, though significantly delayed. This marks another concerning incident for the A330-900 model, raising serious questions about its reliability. Aviation authorities are now investigating what could have been a catastrophic mid-Atlantic failure.